Hey guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my skincare favorites. I have been avoiding this video for a while and for good reasons because I really wanted to try and test each and every product for a good amount of time so that I can actually suggest to you all of these. So I've been using few products for a while and these have been my most favorite. I haven't included any like masks or something like that. These are basically skincare. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, a quick disclaimer, some of these products might suit me and not you. Always make sure to do a patch test before applying anything on your face because that may cause severe breakouts. And coming to my skin type, I have like a super dry Sahara desert skin. So yeah, these are mostly suitable for like super dry skin. So yeah, now let's get into the video. So guys, coming to the first product is this one. It is actually the Innisfree green tea seed serum. It has double squeezed green tea and green tea seed from the Jeju Island. I don't really understand all the ingredients, nor do I want to preach about it. Coming to the product and how it actually works on my skin, I used it once before, but I wasn't really like a fan of it. I didn't really understand what it was actually doing. But a few weeks ago, my skin was super dry and dull and not very good. So I thought, why not give it a second try and actually see if it works or if it is of no use. And that is the best thing I've done. You can use it like any time of the day, but that day I used it at night after having a bath, after washing my face neatly. So yeah, I see the next day my skin was so good, like it was feeling so good in one single day. So it gave me like a really nice super quick makeover. This retails for 1950 rupees, which is a little pricey, but you know, it does its job and is super. So guys, coming to the second product is actually this one. This is the Clinique's Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. This is fragrance free, doesn't have any harmful chemicals or anything like that. I got this in a set with the Clinique's Moisture Surge moisturizer and also along with the eye cream. But this is so good. Like me and my mom, we both loved it so much that we ended up buying like a full-size product. This is how the full-size product looks like. This retails for 3,800 rupees. It is like it lies on a super pricier side, which I know a lot of people would not like to invest in, and even I would think 10 times before investing so much on one product. But guys, hear me out. This thing gives you a facial effect. Tell me, whenever you go out for a facial, you spend a minimum of 2,500 to 4,000 rupees, like the least cost. But this, you can actually try with the smaller size one. I'm not sure if it is available or not, but I'll make sure to place everything down in the description box below, so just check it out. Then you can use it like so many times. Even if you use it every month, it's going to last for about 3 months. And trust me, when I see this, even last month during my cousin's engagement, I actually got my facial done, but there was literally like zero difference. Like, I'm not even kidding. There was zero different. In fact, I felt that my skin became more dull and dry. Whereas this one, it gives you that nice facial effect, like an expensive facial effect overnight. So guys, coming to the next product and in the family of overnight mask, this is by Dot & Key. This is the Dot & Key's skin plumping moisture infusion water sleeping mask, and this is how it looks like. So super cute, right? And coming to its work, this retails for 795 rupees. So this thing, I won't say it will give you like a super facial effect, or it's going to like blur out all your breakouts or anything like that, but it is like a super nice, as its name suggests, it is like a really nice hydrating skin plumping mask. If you have like a super dry skin and you want your skin to stay hydrated the next day you wake up, you can actually go for this one. This hydrates your skin so super well, gives your skin that really nice, you know, smooth glow. This has like a really nice water consistency, so if you don't want to use those super heavy creams on your face while sleeping, you can absolutely go for this one. It won't do any wonders, let me say that. It won't do any wonders, but it's like a really nice hydrating face masks for those days when you just want to hydrate yourself. Coming to the next product, yeah, it is actually a moisturizer. If you guys know me for a while, I absolutely love the Pond's light moisturizer, but that is not what I'm talking about today. This is the Clinique's Moisture Surge. It is the 72-hour auto repair one. This is how it looks like. This is a 50 ml bottle and this retails for 2,550 rupees. But if you want to try it out, you can go for the least one, which is 15 ml 1.5, and that retails for 890 rupees, or the second size, which is 30 ml, which retails for 1,650 rupees. I was very skeptical about using this for a long time because I was so into Pond's moisturizer, but I gave it a chance, and it's such a light moisturizer. It keeps your skin hydrated all day, all night, keeps your face fresh, doesn't give that oily effect, non-greasy at all, and it doesn't have any fragrance, free of all chemicals. And what else do you need? It is such a nice hydrating moisturizer. I know for a moisturizer the price is like super heavy, but if you want to splurge your money, invest on a really good moisturizer which is super long lasting, not very oily, not very sticky, not greasy, very smooth, hydrating. Absolutely go for this. So guys, coming to the last product, and the product which I talked about like hundreds of times on my channel, it is about the lips, and this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is how it looks like. It is 8 grams and it retails for 500 rupees. I think does wonders to your lips. Actually, I lost this lip balm like somewhere down in my drawer, but my lips became so super chappy and dry. But the day I found it, the night I applied it, literally all the dryness and chappiness of an entire month has gone in one single night. So yeah, that is how much wonders it does to your lips. So yeah, absolutely suggest it if you have like a more dry lips, a chappy lips, and you just want to give that moisture and see wonders in one night. Go for this one. It is like a smaller pack, and if you like it, you can invest on a bigger one which retails for 1,500, I guess. So yeah, really like this one. So yeah guys, those were my top five favorite skincare products. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. I'll see you soon in my next one. Take care.